find myself longing for attention. I'm not myself doing what I do. I know I may have hurt someone I loved along the way. It wasn't my intention. I lost myself doing what I do. I just want your attention. Oh, the crazy things I do. So why do I think it's okay not being me 'cause of you? What do you want me to say? What do you want me to do to get your attention? 'Cause I just want your attention. Eu tolei por facerte feliz. E cando fixen foi igual para ti.